Hi there, it's Kara here from GoodX, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily log tickets with our fantastic user-friendly client portal. At GoodX Software, we understand the importance of quick and efficient solutions to the challenges you face in your practice, which is why we have developed a user-friendly client portal, putting the power directly into your hands. At GoodX Software, we understand the importance of quick and efficient solutions to the challenges you face in your practice, which is why we have developed a user-friendly client portal, putting the power directly into your hands. There is no longer need to navigate complex phone systems or wait endlessly for updates. From seamless ticket creation to real-time status tracking, our goal is to provide you with a hassle-free and transparent support experience. Now, to get to the client portal is really simple. All you have to do is click on your navigation wheel and then click on the Client Portal button. You'll be redirected to the Client Portal login page. First-time users will need to register before being able to access the portal by simply clicking on Register and follow the step-by-step instructions provided. Once registered, you can log into the portal with your email address and password. If you manage multiple practices, be sure to navigate to the necessary install by clicking on the vertical ellipse button and selecting the desired option from the drop-down list. Any logged tickets that have not been resolved yet will display on the Open Ticket screen. If necessary, you can search for a specific ticket in the search bar. Besides the list view currently displayed, there is also a grid view option available. If you would like to download a copy of your tickets into a spreadsheet format, click on the CSV button. Alternatively, to download a copy of your tickets into a document format, click on the PDF button. Now, let's go over how to log a ticket. Firstly, click on the Log New Ticket button and select the type of request. In this case, we will be using the support option to get assistance from an FCL. Give your ticket a subject line, which will also become the ticket's name. Select the severity of the issue from the drop-down of when you realistically need the issue to be resolved. Choose your product, which will be the site on which you're having issues, as well as your category to ensure it goes to the right department. Here you can give a brief explanation of the issue you seem to be facing. Next, you're going to give some additional information that could assist the support team in getting your issue sorted out as quickly as possible. To best assist with your ticket, type out the exact steps you took to encounter the issue. Finally, you're able to type any extra notes into the additional information section, as well as attach files such as screenshots or short videos that could help the support team to further assist with locating and fixing any issues you might face. To finish off, all you have to do is submit the ticket. Your newly logged ticket will open, displaying the notes made in the ticket as well as the name of your practice's designated FCL. Navigate back to your open tickets where your newly created ticket will display. If you have any additional notes to add, all you have to do is click on your ticket and add any extra information into the space provided. By messaging through the client portal instead of email responses, you can rest assured knowing that all your necessary information is logged in the correct place and that your FCL can assist you as fast as possible. Again, you're able to attach any necessary files. Once you've completed your extra notes, click on the Send Message button. Any communication will conveniently be displayed on the ticket. When a ticket gets resolved, you'll receive a ticket feedback survey. If you're not satisfied with the resolution, click on the link provided to escalate the matter. This email will contain the resolution to the closed ticket with a detailed explanation of the steps taken. If you are satisfied with the report received, please be sure to rate your FCL through the ticket feedback form. Leaving a Google review is also greatly appreciated. Positive client experiences are our top priority, and keeping us informed of your level of satisfaction with our service guarantees that we maintain a high standard of care. Now, let us take a look at the closed ticket section. Click on any of the tickets to view its contents. If you're not satisfied with the resolution provided and would like to reopen the ticket, simply click on the Escalate Issues button. Get a brief look at the stats of currently open tickets at your practice by heading on over to the Support Stats screen. Get insight on the latest bug fixes or exciting new features added by checking out the latest releases. From here, you can click on each panel to expand the information within. Finally, if you would like to access any additional information, whether it be on using the client portal or on functions within your system, click on the Help and Library button to access a wide variety of user manuals and tutorial videos. And there you have it, a fast and convenient way for you to get the best possible support.